Bollet installation. At this time, set your drill press to the correct thumb pitches required for whom you are installing the vise interchangeable thumb. Draw your center line of grip. Draw the cut line for the thumb. Apply the white tape from vise in the area where the stop collet will first touch the ball. You are now ready to drill. Always use the white tape when drilling the vise interchangeable thumb to ensure consistent depths from ball to ball. Using the IT drill bit, drill down until the stop collet scrapes the white tape. Change from the IT bit to the 1/2 inch drill bit. Drill the 1/2 inch hole 1 inch further down. Lightly bevel sand the entire hole to remove any ball dust that may have caked up on the sidewalls during drilling and vacuum out the hole. Using the funnel included in the kit, vacuum out the 1/2 inch hole. After drilling, check the top sleeve for tightness, making sure it goes in easy. Buzz sand the top portion of the hole if needed. Do not bevel the top of the hole. Put a light bead of glue around the top portion of the hole to secure the top sleeve. Don't overdo it on the glue. Install the top sleeve onto the top sleeve insertion tool. Install the top sleeve and remove the insertion tool. Trim off any excess portions of the top sleeve sticking up out of the ball and clean up any excess glue in the hole after installation of the top sleeve. Put the ballet together. The ballet is vulnerable when it is outside of the ball. At this time, inspect the ballet for any damage prior to installation. Install the ballet onto the insertion tool. Rotate and lock into place. You will hear a distinct sound when it locks in place. Listen to this sound as it locks in place. Dry fit the ballet to make sure the holes are concentric. Rotate the insertion tool clockwise to make sure it spins freely in the hole. After you remove the insertion tool, check for any ball dust on the ballet safety molly. If you see any, vacuum out the 1/2 inch hole again. The hole must be free from all dust and debris prior to gluing. Notice the movement in the ballet safety molly. Be aware they are not glued together. Push the ballet safety molly into the insertion tool until it stops. It will only move about 1/32 of an inch. Apply glue to both sides of the safety molly and to the white part of the ballet that will contact the bottom of the hole. Insert the insertion tool and ballet into the ball. Rotate the insertion tool clockwise to spread out the glue. Align the black line on the insertion tool with the back center line of grip for proper alignment. Immediately after aligning the insertion tool, insert the pushdown rod into the insertion tool. Take a hammer and tap the pushdown rod to move the safety molly all the way back down into the ballet. This will stop any vertical movement in the thumb after installation. Install the molly expander into the insertion tool, tapered side down. Insert the IT screwdriver into the insertion tool. Take a hammer and tap the IT screwdriver to push the molly expander into the ballet. With a feathering motion, rotate the insertion tool counterclockwise 270 degrees to remove the insertion tool. Never rotate the insertion tool clockwise after you have installed the MOLLE expander. Also, never reinstall the insertion tool into the ball after you have installed the ballet. Remove the insertion tool from the ball. You have successfully installed a ballet. This instructional presentation follows the pictorial directions step by step, which are included with every IT starter kit from Weiss. As always, I thank you for choosing Weiss Inserts.